Are you still using the eraser to hide parts of your art? Stop. The problem is, once those pixels are gone, they're gone forever. If you change your mind later, you're stuck and you have to redraw everything. But there is a much smarter way. Layer masks. It's like an eraser that you can undo at any time. In this video, I'll show you how to place this cute cat inside a box perfectly. I have my cat and my box on separate layers. And to make him look like he's actually inside the box, I'll tap the cat layer and select mask. This white box appears on top of my layer. Now remember the golden rule, black hides, white shows. I'll grab a black brush and paint over his lower body. He's now in the box. And the great thing is, if you have hidden too much, then you can just switch to a white brush and paint the fur back in. See, nothing is permanently gone. It's total freedom. Layer masks aren't just for hiding things completely. If I pick a medium gray instead of black and paint over the cat, he starts to become see-through. The darker the gray, the more transparent he gets. Now he's turned into a spooky ghost cat peeking out of his box. So layer masks are safe, flexible, and perfect for creative effects. Grab your iPad and give it a go. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to dive deeper into digital art, I have a ton of full-length tutorials over at my Patreon, and you can follow along with many other projects there and join our creative community. Check the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.